Hi everyone, Toni here from Scrap Crazy with Toni, bringing you my latest 30-minute layouts for the Twitchit Craft Kits. And this is the Deep Blue Sea kit, so thank you very much Tabitha for sending this one up to me. Now, I've recently spent a few days away on holidays, and we did have it was sort of a working holiday. And I had a couple of days downtime between events, and it was a town that I've been to quite a few times. It was just me, I didn't have the kids, and I sort of decided just to stay in the hotel and craft for the couple of days. So I did explore a little bit, but not much. And so I actually got to make loads and loads of projects with this kit, including 4 layouts and just a massive range of cards, which I'll bring you in another video. But I thought with this one, I'll just quickly share with you my 4 very quick 30-minute or less layouts. As most of you got to know by now, you know that I'm a quick scrapper. I'm a bit of a lazy scrapper. And although I am very capable of doing the over-top projects, I actually prefer and tend to go for the quick things. So again, all I took with me to the hotel was a very, very basic crafting kit, which is my double-sided tape, some glue, scissors, cutter. I took my scoreboard, obviously, for my cards, and a few inks. Really, that's about all that I took with me. And obviously some, the kit and some cardstock as well. So this first one, I was making, the Deep Blue Sea is really focused towards more of a male nautical sort of theme. So I wanted to make something a bit girly. And while I was away, I did find a craft store while I was away, and I bought this packet of flowers, and I wanted to make it more of a girly, softer theme. So that is a 5x7 photo, and beach is from the sticker sheet, and I just used some soft pink ink there to make it that soft girly feel. The next layout, I really love all these boy feels. I've got boys, I love the fun feel to them. So it's just 2 4x6s, and I love the little added extra details down the bottom here. All of these are the stickers from the sticker sheet. I did, however, add a little chipboard anchor, and that I did find at the scrapbook shop. This was especially fun to make. It looks super easy, and it is really, really incredibly easy. So these are just from a pattern paper 12x12 sheet. You've got your stickers here from your sticker sheet, but this is the bit that I love the most. So you've noticed most of my layouts have like 1 or 2 photos, pretty much that's it. However, I know so many people love to include as many photos on their layouts as possible. Because that's not my style, I sort of struggle with that. And if you were to look through my albums, if I had a layout that had 6 or 7 photos on it, it just wouldn't match the rest of my album. So I thought this was a really cool idea. And it is literally just 4x6 photo flip mats. So how many have we got so far? If you want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then another one there for 18 if you want, or you can make that a journal spot. So essentially you've got a spot for about 16, 17, 18 photos just on that one layout. And how much fun would that be if you did have a little boy going on a boating trip or a cruise or something for the first time, even just playing in the sand, making sandcastles all day. If you've got your whole family there out on Australia Day, like it's tradition here in the little coastal town that I live in, we do have a sandcastle competition each year. So how much fun would that be to go around and take photos of all the sandcastles and throw that in there on one layout? The last layout, I haven't actually finished it because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I absolutely fell in love with this. So I just cut all these at 3/4 of an inch. And this was one of the last projects that I did. So I'd already done the layouts. I've already done a whole bunch of the cards and the boxes. And I had so many scraps left over. I still have huge amounts of this kit left. I still have see, like I still have massive amounts of this kit left, the Deep Blue Sea kit from Twitchit Craft Kits, and I just thought it would be really fun to just, you know, cut a few strips off it. So again, these are at 3/4 of an inch, and I just kept laying them down and down and down and cut off the edges and then laid them the next direction, and just sort of kept going until I had it all done. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I really, really like it. I think I might just leave it plain for now until I find something perfect. You know what would be good is if I had like a really, really big photo, you know, like a really big one, say like an 8x10 photo or something like that, and then a little journaling strip down the side or something really plain and simple, just to show off that base. Anyway, thank you again. That is the Twitchit Craft Kits Deep Blue Sea kit. They are my 30-minute layouts, really quick, and this really did only take, you know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It didn't take long. Once you sort of stick it, you know, cut it up, stick the double-sided tape on, the layout's done. So again, Deep Blue Sea kit by Twitchit Craft Kits. Jump on over. We are wet here in central Queensland. Some of the country has gone into a quick 3-day lockdown. I believe New South Wales is still in an extended, and South Australia are in extended lockdowns. So great opportunity, super fast postage as well, guys. So, you know, if you want to order something, get in quick. There's a new Plant Lady kit that's been released as well. So it's a perfect opportunity for you to grab some crafting goodies, so then, you know, you can spend your time getting creative. Thank you. Bye.